You are welcome to this channel. Our topic of discuss today is the impact of cybersecurity on reputation. A startup called Nextech was making waves with its innovative software solutions. The company prided itself on its cutting-edge technology and commitment to user security. However, one fateful evening, everything changed. As the clock struck midnight, a sophisticated cyber attack breached Nextech's defenses, exposing sensitive user data of thousands of customers. The next morning, panic ensued when the breach was publicly announced. Users flooded social media with concerns, while media outlets began broadcasting alarming headlines about the security failure. Initially, Nextech's founders, Mia and Leo, scrambled to contain the situation. They issued statements assuring customers that they were working hard to resolve the breach, but the damage was done. Trust began to erode. Longtime clients reconsidered their partnerships, and new users hesitated to sign up. In the following weeks, Nextech's reputation took a hit. Sales plummeted, and investor confidence waned. Mia realized that the breach wasn't just a technical failure, it was a brand crisis. They needed to act swiftly to restore trust. Drawing inspiration from companies like Target and Equifax, which had faced similar challenges, Mia and Leo devised a comprehensive recovery plan. They increased transparency by openly communicating the steps being taken to enhance security. They launched a dedicated cybersecurity task force and introduced two-factor authentication for all users. To regain customer trust, they offered free credit monitoring and identity theft protection for affected users. Slowly but surely, Nextech began to rebuild its reputation. Customers appreciated the proactive measures, and user numbers began to climb again. While the scars of the breach remained, the company emerged stronger, equipped with lessons learned about the fragility of brand trust in the digital age. Nugget: a cybersecurity breach can devastate a brand's reputation, leading to a loss of customer trust, decreased sales, and long-term financial impacts. However, proactive communication and transparent recovery efforts can help restore that trust. Recommendation: to safeguard reputation, companies should prioritize cybersecurity as a core business strategy. Implement robust security measures, develop an incident response plan, and maintain open communication with customers. Regularly assess and update security protocols, and consider investing in cybersecurity training for employees. In an increasingly digital world, a strong commitment to security not only protects data but also builds lasting brand trust. Welcome to BB-CLEM. BB-CLEM stands for Balaji Bankole Cybersecurity Leadership and Mentorship Program. BB-CLEM is a cybersecurity leadership and mentorship program. We propagate awareness against financial crimes and promote fraud detection and cybersecurity practices through our mentorship and training. We are committed to building a secure digital future and cultivating cybersecurity leaders through our cybersecurity and leadership mentorship program. We connect with aspiring cybersecurity professionals, mentor them, and provide guidance and support. We offer cybersecurity training for everyone, with a variety of programs tailored to different skill levels and interests. Let us collaborate together to protect the digital space. This message is from Balaji Bankole, founder and chief mentor of BB-CLEM. To join our YouTube community, visit BB Cybersecurity Leadership and Mentorship Program at cybersecurityleadershipman9376 https://www.youtube.com/@cybersecurityleadershipman9376